Good afternoon, everyone. It is April the 18th. It's 2020. It is 2:16. This earthquake took place 22 minutes ago. Hi, Bill. How are you this afternoon, sweetie? Zumugu. Hi, sweetie. Dorothy. Hi. All right. Let me get you what we got here. What do you think? USGS said there was a 5.0 northern Molucca Sea. They have got it 77 miles southeast of Tondano, Indonesia. They've got it at 44 miles in depth. Sorry, 44 miles in depth. EMSC had this at a 4.7 and upgraded it to a 5.2. Let me see this page here. Then we're going to refresh it, okay? All right, there we go. This is EMSC. They had it at a 4.7, upgraded it to a 5.2 Molucca Sea. They have it 74 miles southeast of Tondano, Indonesia, at 37.2 miles of depth. We are now going to refresh this page. All right. Hey, Lynn, how are you, sweetie? All right, let's refresh the page, guys, and see what they do. Guess what? Expected, right? They now have got it at a 5.0. All right, let me copy this and then I'll read it to you because they even changed the depth and the location. Copy. Let me get this into the notes. Here is EMSC. Downgraded after USGS post. All right, let me just check it here, guys, because they changed the location and they changed the depth, okay? Let me write it down so we can get rid of this one, and we can sure get rid of that one. All right. Whoa, what do we got going on? 4.8. That may turn out to be a biggie. Mid-Indian Ridge. We'll have to wait, guys. I'm going to be on here for a few minutes anyway. So we're going to clear this off and make history. Let's see here. And let's go. They now have it at 76 kilometers. 76. They had it at 60. It is now at 47.2 miles in depth. And they did change the location. Not the location, but they did change how far away it was. All right, EMSC had this at a 4.7, upgraded it to a 5.2, downgraded it to a 5.0. Molucca Sea, they had it at 37 miles in depth, and they now have it at 47.2 miles in depth. They had it 74 miles east of Tondano, and now they've got it 81 miles southeast of there. All right. First up with this earthquake was Australia. They were the primary source for this earthquake. All right, so we're going to go to Australia and pull that up. All right, so let's go get Australia. Pulling up Australia. There's Australia. Let me open this up for you. Australia has it. Northern Molucca Sea. They have got it at 48.4 miles in depth, okay? They've got it at a 5.0 also. So USGS and Australia agreed right off the get-go. EMSC had it at a 4.7, a 5.2, and a 5.0. GFZ, on the other hand, let's see if they've changed theirs. Had it at a 5.1. So we're going to see they still have it as a 5.1. And guys, let me show you. This is GFZ. GFZ has got it at a 5.1 confirmed. Molucca Sea, 39 miles in depth. All right. So let me go ahead and show you this earthquake. And I want to check the one that just happened. GFZ. Okay. They haven't upgraded it yet. We're just waiting. Northern Molucca Sea. We're pulling this earthquake up on the map. As you can see, it says a 5.0. Now, that is Australia's post. They were the primary source for this earthquake. All right. Now, let me get rid of the tag. I can't do it upside down. Okay. They're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake, which is right here. This is your earthquake. Right there is the closest volcano. It is green. It is normal. It is dormant. All right. All right. Estimated release of power for this. Whoa. Okay. Slow down. That was disaster alert popping in. I was hoping they would. So we're going to wait. It'll automatically switch over. Okay. I'm leaving the room to you, Lynn, Bill, and Joanne. It's all yours, guys. There it goes. It just switched over to what happened here. So let me go ahead and read this to you. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.0 at a depth of 43.8, which makes it 44 miles in depth, has occurred 124 kilometers south-southeast of Tondano, Indonesia, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. Now, guys, I need to copy that because it just popped in and I didn't have a chance to copy it earlier. So I'm going to copy it now and put it into the notes. All right. Let me go to disaster alert. And we're going to post this. All right. So let me copy that and bring up a little space. There's too much in between. Okay, now, estimated release of power for this earthquake was 674 tons of TNT. All right, now things are getting restless down in that area, as you saw today from the Philippines, the 6.6 earthquake that happened there. So let me go ahead and put this and put it into miles. And they've got it 79 miles, and it was green, dormant, and normal. Okay. All right. Now you're going to have the epicenter. You're going to have the epicenter, longitude, latitude, nearest volcano, primary data source, estimated release of energy. You've got USGS, EMSC, GFZ, and EMSC. All right, now we're going to copy these while I've got the chance and get it into the link for you. Copy. Copy. Now we're going to YouTube. We will post it. I will go back like normal and check and make sure everybody's staying where they're at. After all, we've had one earthquake center have it at 3 magnitudes. Okay? I definitely want to make sure it stays there. Okay, I'm pasting it into YouTube now as we speak. Maybe. There it goes. And as you know, YouTube is checking out all my earthquake reports. Sometimes it takes 12 hours to get up there. What I am going to do is save it, put it into that file in community for you. Share. Copy. Go to community, and there it is. And I've also downloaded this to an email and now send it to myself. How do you like them apples? I'm now going out of YouTube, guys. We're going to shut down all earthquake centers. I need to go back and check that to make sure the 4.8 stays at 4.8. That was mid-Indian Ridge, because last time they had a 4.8, it jumped to a 5.3. So let me go ahead and open up USGS first on the one that just occurred. As you can see, it's sitting right there, a 5.1. I mean, a 5.0. We're going to click on it. USGS said it was a 5.0, northern Molucca Sea, 77 miles south-southeast of Tondano, Indonesia, at 44 miles in depth. All right, sorry. Got to remember to bring it up closer for you guys to see. EMSC, on the other hand, has had it at a 4.7, a 5.2, and now a 5.0. Let's go see if they kept it there. So now we're going to go to EMSC. Open them up. Going to go to all earthquakes. And there she sits, guys. A 5.0 right there. Opening it up. Now, EMSC has got it as a 5.0 Molucca Sea. They've got it at 47.2 miles in depth. They have it 78 miles south of Dano, Indonesia. All right, now USGS, EMSC, USG, and Australia all agree. The only ones that does not agree would be GFC, and they had it at a 5.1 Northern Molucca Sea. All right. All right, guys. No tsunami threat for this earthquake. I did check that. And I want to check this. I want to see who's posting on the 4.8 and what they're saying before I let you go. Okay. Primary data source for this earthquake was GFZ. That is the Germany Earthquake Center. We're opening it up just to make sure. Okay. More information, please. And they've got it at a 4.8. They haven't upgraded it yet. EMSC has not upgraded it yet. If they do and USGS says they were wrong, I will come back. I'm checking USGS now. Nope, they still have it. USGS does not have it at this point. All right, let me see who's here, what you guys are saying. All right, let me see. Wow, I can read the print. Yay. Okay. Let's see who we got. Wow, lots of talk going on. I said hi to you, Bill. How are you, sweetie? You doing okay? Zugo Mugo. Sweetie, it's been a while since you came in. I thank you for coming in. Dorothy, hi, sweetie. How are you doing? You doing okay? Miss Liz, thank you for coming in. I appreciate it. Joanne, and Bill, and Lynn, I thank you for being my room mods. And I depend on you guys so I can do the report and totally ignore chat until it's over and I can check in and say hi to everybody. Miss Liz, hi, sweetie. How are you? I hope everything's okay. Dorothy, you're awesome, sweetie. Oh my goodness, look at all. Brandon, hi, sweetie. How are you? You doing okay? Thank you, sweetie. God bless you too. Look it up in chat, Brandon. I mean, in community, it'll be there. It will not be on my main page because YouTube is holding everything for 12 to 24 hours. I don't know why. Dorothy, sure am. Just wanted to make sure you're okay. Tulip, oh, sweetie, I love you too. Thank you so much. Miss Liz, you're awesome. I'm glad you're okay. Thank you, Bill. I'm glad you're doing good. Lynn, I hope you're doing okay, sweetie. Oh my goodness, guys, you give me the, you made me have goosebumps. Thank you for coming in. You're definitely a part of my family. And I hope you know that I pray for each one of you as a group. It's hard to 1,400 some odd people at a time. I just say thank you, Lord, for my YouTube family. Please protect them and watch over them. Okay? Hope you guys don't mind me doing that. I am sending you guys much love. Sending that. Hugs to you. Let me check that and see. Since we had the 4.8, let me see if that was USGS upgrading. And the answer to that question was no, it was not. Alaska just had a 3.9. I got one more day, guys. I'm taking it. All right. It's been nice to be able to spend time with my husband. You guys are so awesome. Karen, sweetie, hello, hello, hello. And for the people in my mods, guys, you've got control of this room. If you think somebody is doing something that's not right, and you know what's not right and what is right, I trust you, okay? Block them, time them out, and that's what I would like you to do. Then report them if you can, all right? Harassment, Definitely. All right, guys. That's what we have. God bless each and every one. Oh, forgot. Sorry. You know, I go back one last time to make sure everybody's staying where they're at. And USGS has not reported on that 4.8, 4.7 as of yet. They still have the 5.0 up there. They're getting quicker at doing what they're doing. Okay. What was that? Okay. All right. Bill, I'm going to send you a link. GS has it at 5.0, northern Molucca Sea, 77 miles southeast of Tondano, Tondano, Indonesia, at 44 miles in depth. Last look at EMSC, since they've had it at 3 magnitudes, and then we'll let you go, okay? I love you guys so much. All right. All right. EMSC has had it at 4.7, a 5.2, and a 5.0. Molucca Sea, they've got it at 47.2 miles in depth now, and they have it 78 miles southeast of Tondano. Okay. All right, guys. And if you're wondering about the 6.6 earthquake that happened in China this morning, it wasn't China. It was Japan. I'm sorry. Check out the closest volcano in the chat box. I pinned it. It's an underground volcano, under the water, submerged volcano, which is erupting and growing. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great one. Love you. You guys are so, so awesome. Love you, love you, love you. Have a great one.